Hi, I'm Tom Geller, and this is Writing Articles. No matter what your job is, articles are a great way to meet business objectives and promote yourself as a thought leader. The article format is always in demand, and readers find it especially credible. This course shows you the different kinds of articles you can write, where they're published, and how to get those assignments. By working our way through a typical article, we'll look at how to plan, where to find research sources, and ways to get past blank page syndrome and actually start writing. Going further, you'll see how to fit your article into a bigger project, how to manage the revision process, and how to deliver exactly what clients want so they'll turn to you again and again. This course assumes you already have basic writing skills. I won't talk about such mechanics as grammar and punctuation, but you will see ways to make your articles easier to create, edit, and read. I've been writing articles for over 15 years as both a staff writer and a freelancer, and I just love the format. It's long enough to explore a topic in detail, yet short enough to let you finish quickly and move on to the next one. So whether you write for fun, for profit, or as part of your job, the article format is one well worth learning. Let's get started with writing articles.